Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to be teaching us how to stay monetized on Facebook. One thing is to be monetized on Facebook, but the other thing is to stay monetized. No, monetizing is not actually the issue on Facebook, but it's for you to stay monetized. On today's video I'm going to teach us how to stay monetized and avoid demonetization. Making money on Facebook can be a life-changing skill if you get it right, but it hurts when you start making money and all of a sudden your monetization tools will be gone, you'll be demonetized. And Facebook initially was very difficult when it comes to monetizing and when it comes to staying monetized, but nowadays they've decided to introduce something that will signal users that their content is not following the policy of Facebook. No, it's not the content policy that you know about. This is another section that Facebook has introduced to their platform and is helping creators to monitor their page and stay monetized. So this video will teach you how to stay monetized. On this video, I'm going to be using one of my pages that I abandoned for a very long time. So yesterday I opened the page and I decided to check the page, and I found out that there were things that were posted on the page that Facebook have already signaled me on the dashboard to take them out of my page. Now what happens is that when Facebook signals you like this to take out things on your page and you refuse to take them out, if it stays for long, it's going to turn to a permanent violation, and when this happens, you'll be permanently demonetized. So pay very good attention to this video and make sure you keep on checking your page. If possible, check this section as many times as you can in a day, so that if there is any signal at all, anything that surfaces on your dashboard, you'll be able to take it out. So let's go into the video. I'm going to be taking out this content live on this video. So I'm going to log into my page very quick. So when you come to your page, come to your professional dashboard. So I'm going to click on see dashboard. When you come to see dashboard, you are going to come down. When you come down, go to page recommendation. Okay, when you come to your page recommendation, click on it, and when you click on it, you are going to come to your page recommendation dashboard. Here, if your page is recommendable, you will know, but then you can see something here that is saying page has flagged content. So they are telling you already that this page has flagged content. So we are going to click on review content. All right, so when you click it, it's going to open. So you see here, this post was shared by me 3 months ago after I left this page dormant. So these are 4 posts. Okay, so for you to take this video out, you are going to click on them. So I'm going to click on the first one, then it will open. Okay, when it opens, click on take action. When you click on take action, you are going to see delete posts. So go ahead and delete. So you are still going to open that dashboard. If there are many, once you delete the first one, still come back to your dashboard and delete the second one until you delete all of them. So I'm going to click on the next one. And I will delete. So this is the last one. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. As you can see, I've deleted all of them. This is how the dashboard now looks. You can see recommendable. That means there are no longer flagged contents on this page. So if you have a page, rush down to your page now and make sure you look at this section to know if there are any flagged content on your page, and make sure you take all of them down. There are other places which I've taught on this channel on how to check your page. You can also go to your alert section and see if you have copyrighted contents there and delete them, but always pay attention to this. All right, you can also check your page status to see if your page has any violation. Okay, but remember, this video is about you staying monetized. So I'm doing this video both for those people that are monetized and those people who are not monetized yet, because you are going to need this video on the long run. So go over to your page recommendation section and check if there are any flagged contents on that section and go ahead and delete them. So this is a simple way for you to stay monetized on Facebook. Okay, I'm still going to bring up other videos to explain other things that will help you stay monetized. However, make sure that you share things that follows Facebook policy. Okay, although sometimes you might not know, but make sure in your willpower that you don't share things that you know that will violate Facebook rules and cause demonetization or prevent you from being monetized on Facebook. Okay, till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibeke.